Air Jordan 40 Chicago, releasing on November 1st, introduces a historic twist as the first Air Jordan to showcase Nike's iconic swoosh. This model bridges legacy and innovation, paying tribute to Jordan heritage while adding modern performance. Inspired by the Air Jordan 1, it carries the classic Wings logo on the collar and showcases the beloved Chicago palette: white, black, sail, and Varsity Red. White leather dominates the upper, black defines the heel counter, toe bumper, and branding, while Varsity Red charges the outsole and tongue. A sail midsole lends vintage character, complemented by ZoomX cushioning for comfort and a sculpted black heel piece for stability. More than just a sneaker, it symbolizes tradition meeting evolution, cementing a bold future for Jordan brand while honoring its roots in basketball culture and sneaker history.